Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another art vlog. So prepare your materials. I'm using a vellum board paper, but you can use any paper that you want. And watercolors. I'm using a Pentel watercolors and also a Pebeo one. I also like to use a pastel colored pens, and also I want to use some colored pens, another colored pens. Don't forget your pencil for some sketching, and also your erasers. So I do have here two type of erasers, and then your paintbrush. That is important because you need to paint your drawing, and then a ruler. I forgot to mention a scotch tape or any tape that you want, and a scissors. Also your palettes, don't forget your palettes. And also your snack, but I don't have chips, so I have here a piece of banana cake and water to keep hydrated. Okay, so you will be needing a paper, a ruler, and a pencil, and add some border on your papers. And then start sketching your design. So I checked some designs online about aesthetic postcards, and I check it on Pinterest, by the way. So yeah, just sketch it and then make it fun.
So then, why?
I also draw another design that I got from Pinterest as well. So I have here a big mouth with teeth and some letters. So clean, so good, char. And then I put some lines out of the mouth and make it like a spiral thing. I also draw another design, which is kill them with kindness. Yeah, just kill them. Kill them with kindness. You can actually draw anything that runs to your mind. Yeah, like anything that you prefer. There's no limitation.
It helps the speaker lead his audience
So
into
after you sketch your designs, make sure that you have already prepared your water and also mix some colors. So I started making some pastel pink and make it as the background color for my first sketch. Just wash off your first color using water, and then I mix pastel orange for the letters. And yeah.
So then, why?
I added some pastel yellow as well. after I colored my design, I decided to use a black colored pen to outline my letters and make it bold.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
And I also outlined the border. So this is me featuring myself while coloring other designs. So I decided to make more designs of postcards, and I think I made 16 postcards for this vlog.
So then, why?
Also, I choose those wordings or quotes and designs of postcards that can actually motivate me while I'm painting on my thing. So yeah, easy as that. I made 16 postcards, and some of them I got the design from Pinterest, and I really like how it turned out because they are so cute and very aesthetic, and I can't wait to post them to my wall. Anyway, if you really want to make one of this, you don't really need to have a printer so you can print one, but that is the easier way. But if you want to be more creative, and yeah, just paint it using your art materials, just like what I did. Since I ran out of double-sided tape or adhesive tape, I decided to use the only tape that I have here, which is the Scotch tape. So I added some tape at the back of the postcards, and I'm ready to post them on my wall.
So then, why?
So here are my DIY Postcards will Decor. So lovies, if you want me to do another more art vlog, just comment down below and I'll make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.